Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, teacher.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Oh, I can hear you now.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Yes.
What? Oh, what do you think is the problem? It's working now.
I don't know. I don't
Yeah.
know the problem.
Yes.
But now started learning.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello? Can you hear me,
Hello.
Duke?
Yes.
Okay. Wait a minute. I will just inform them that it's working now.
Em về rồi nhưng mà sao nghe nó bé thế?
All right, so let's begin, Duke, because we got a few minutes left to learn, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, but why do you think it's working now? But last time it's not working.
Huh?
Last time it's not working. Your audio is not working, right? The last time?
What? It's not working?
Yeah, your sound is not working on our class on Monday. You remember it?
Yes.
Yeah, and also tonight when we started the class, it's not working too, but now it's working.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, it's okay now. So let's begin our activity for tonight.
30 phút rồi.
All right. So for tonight, we are having test 1 activity. It's all about reading. Okay. So part 1, we have 5 marks. So look and read, put a tick or a cross in the box. All right. So we have here an example. This is a hand, check. This is an eye, cross. How about question number 1, Duke? Read and answer.
Finish.
Okay, can you read it first, please?
It is a hippo. Yes.
Yes, correct. Number 2?
This is a bouquet. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, next.
This is a chicken. Yes. This is a chair. No. This is plane. Yes.
Okay, let us check. This is a bookcase. Check. This is a chicken. Check. This is a chair. Cross. This is a plane. Check. All right. Very good, Duke. So 5 points in the first activity. Okay, so now let's have part 2, 5 marks. So example, the boy is wearing a hat. Yes. There are 4 frogs in the water. No. Okay, so question number 1, Duke. Read and answer yes or no.
The boy's trousers are yellow.
The boy's trousers are yellow. Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Oh.
Are you sure it's a yes? But the trousers are color purple.
No.
Okay.
That is purple.
Yes. So your answer is no, right?
Yes.
Okay, next one.
The dog next to the boy. The dog next to the boy.
Yes or no? Yes, okay. Next one.
The boy playing with toy plane. No.
No.
The There's a bird in a boat. No.
No.
The boy's feet are in the water. Yes.
Yes, all right. Very good. Okay, next one. Let's have part 3, 5 marks. Look at the picture, look at the letters, and write the words. So we have an example. Number 1 is a doll. How about question number 1, Duke? What is this?
Kite. I finished.
Okay, let us see. K-I-T-E. Very good. That is correct. How about number 2?
B-I-K-E, bike.
Okay. B-I-K-E is bike. Number 3?
The robot. R-O-B-O-T. Train. iRobot.
Okay, let us check it later. So number 3, what do you think is that?
T-R-A-I-N.
Okay, number 5, what is that?
Camera. I read.
Okay. Why did you erase?
I read the answer.
Okay, so number 2, bike, that is correct. So number 3.
Robot. R-O.
No, number 3. Number 3 first.
Number 3. R-E-N.
Again? T-R-E-N?
No. T-R-A-E-N.
E-N? There's no E.
I-N.
Yes, very good. It's T-R-A-I-N, train. Number 4?
It's robot. R-O-T-O-B.
Rotob? You spell rotob, not robot.
Robot.
Oh, you spelled R-O-T-O-B. That is rotob, not robot.
R-O-B-O-T.
Very good. That is correct. Robot. Last one, number 5.
What? Six letters.
Yeah.
I don't know one letter. I don't see one letter.
Okay. You add one more letter A.
C-A-M-E-R-A.
Very good. So that is camera. C-A-M-E-R-A. Very good, Duke. All right, 5 points for you. So now let's go to reading part number 4. This is 5 marks. So read this and choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 5. There is one example. All right, so read and answer now, Duke.
Okay. 1. Lucy's teacher sits on a chair in front of me.
Again, are you sure? Are you sure?
Chair.
Okay. Okay.
In front of me, Lucy can his legs and feet under me. He puts his ruler, pens, and pencil on me. The children next to me and Lucy's teacher looks at their books. I am like
That is wrong. I am like a. I am like a. What?
table.
Yes. I'll finish reading.
I am a classroom school. Lucy's teacher sits on a chair in front of me. Lucy can see his legs and feet. Under me, he puts his ruler, pens, and pencil on me. The children stand next to me, and Lucy and teacher looks at the book. I am a like table, but people don't sit and eat breakfast at me. What I am a desk.
Very good. I am a desk. Okay, so do you have a desk in your bedroom, Duke?
Yes.
What's the color of your desk?
It's brown.
Oh, it's brown. All right.
No, white.
White? Okay. White. How about your chair? What's the color of your chair?
Blue, black, and white, and red.
Wow, okay. So now, Duke, let's have part 5. Look at the pictures and read the question. Write one-word answer. Okay, so we have here an example. What is on the table next to the bed? So the answer is lamp. Next one, what is the car doing? Answer is sleeping. So question number 1. Which room is Sue in?
Sue in.
Where is she?
I know. Sue in bedroom.
Okay, very good. Bedroom is correct. Number 2, where is Sue now?
In the kitchen.
In the kitchen. Very good. And what is Sue eating?
A banana.
A banana or an orange. Okay, very good. Now, let's go to question number 4. What is the cat drinking?
Milk.
Okay, the milk, or it can be a water also. Number 5. What color is the sun?
It's red.
It is red. Okay. So how about this day in Vietnam? What is the color of the sun?
Red, yellow, orange.
Yeah. Here in the Philippines too, our sky, the last few days, it's color pink. Yeah, our sky is color pink. Okay. Well, anyway, Duke, just in time. Okay, wait. Let's see if there's one more activity. Okay, wait for me.
20 points.
Yes. What's this? Okay. Okay, so let's have this one more. Okay, so this is test number 1, speaking activity. Hello, my name is Teacher Bian. What is your name?
My name is Duke.
Your name is Duke. How old are you, Duke? Duke?
I am 8 years old.
Very good. Do you like reading books, Duke?
Yes.
What book do you like to read?
It's very many.
Very many, but what is the latest book that you are reading right now?
Huh?
What is the book that you're currently reading right now?
It's very many.
Do you read Harry Potter?
Yes.
Wow, very good. So
Yes.
now, Duke, what is that? Can I see it?
Oh, no. Okay. I show you.
Oh, Harry Potter. Wow. You're reading it?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. So how many Harry Potter books do you have?
7 books. 8 books.
Oh, 8 books. So how many books have you finished reading?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And one books.
You finished reading 7 books of Harry Potter?
Yes.
Very good. That is very good, Duke, because reading is a good exercise for your brain. Okay. So let's continue our activity, Duke. Look at this picture.
Look at the picture.
And describe it. Okay, what can you say about the picture now?
I don't understand it. Describe.
Describe means you have to explain what you see on the picture.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, explain it now. What can you say about the picture?
The girl's boy. The girl is playing basketball. The woman is running. The man and the dog is walk. The cat is on the wall. The boys play robot, and the bird is fly.
Okay, what else? That's all?
School.
Okay. So we have here some questions too. Oh, this is a vocabulary, okay? Can you read the words that you can see on the screen?
Basketball. Playground. Walk the dog. Helicopter. Socks.
Okay. So do you know, Duke, how to play a basketball?
Yes.
Very good. So where do you play basketball? Where do you play basketball? At home or in school?
School.
Okay, in school. Okay, so now Duke, look at the picture. This is a school and the children are playing. Now we have here some question, okay? Number 1, where is the cat?
The cat is on the wall.
Okay, the cat is?
On the wall.
And then where are the robots?
The robot is in the wall.
In the floor or in the ground. Okay, so now Duke, which is the sock? Encircle it, please.
Okay.
Encircle the sock.
Put the sock on the tree.
Okay, and put the sock under the tree. Okay, next one. Oh, you're finished. So let us check. Okay, the first sock is under the tree, and then the next sock is on the chair. Very good. Okay, so next one, Duke. Which is the helicopter? Can you encircle it? Very good. Okay, next one. Put the helicopter next to the dog. Okay, next one. Which is the guitar? Can you encircle it? And then put the guitar between the boys. Okay, let us see. Okay, so the helicopter is next to the dog, correct? And then the guitar is between the boys. All right. Okay. So anyway, Duke, unfortunately, we don't have enough time. Okay. So we are going to continue this one again, Duke, on... Oh, wait. Are you available tomorrow morning, Duke? Let's have a makeup class. Are you available tomorrow morning?
Yes.
Okay, so let's have class tomorrow at 9 in the morning, okay?
What hours?
9.
Okay.
Okay, you tell your mom.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, because we were not able to finish some of your classes. So I have to give you your makeup class, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so see you again tomorrow at 9 in the morning. Okay, Duke?
Yes.
Okay, good night.
Good night, teacher.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.